feeling very grateful. I feel grateful, I feel appreciated, I'm happy, I'm proud right now, seriously. Yeah, it's a great feeling. So I started off as a youth football coach. I did that for about 9 to 10 years. And one of my football players' mother was administrator here at Somerset High School. And she noticed something in me, and she said I was great with children, and I should get into education. And that's how I took this route. Seeing my kids succeed, seeing them grow, seeing the lights go off in their head, seeing them evolve, gave me a feeling and a satisfaction that I can't explain. Being in a position to service the community is a purpose I think God's called me to. It started with my father. He ran a youth football organization in the West Side for 30 years. And I saw him leave work early in the morning, come home, pick us up, and then go to practice till 9 o'clock at night every day. He'd pick up kids who weren't related to him. He'd take them to practice, take them home, feed them. And I think that's where I picked that up. That's where I got that inspiration, watching my dad donate his time to the community to better society. What I try to do here in the classroom and on the field, it kind of reflects my experience growing up. I had some great teachers, and I try to emulate what they did for me, but also I try to be the teacher and coach that I wish I had growing up. So I try to not only emulate them, but I try to go above and beyond and try to be there for kids as much as I can. We're all human beings. Nobody's perfect. Success isn't linear. You know, things are going to come, adversity, and how we face those adversities and respond to them determine the outcome of whatever event or wherever we want to be at the end goal in life. So whether it's an assignment we're having trouble with, or whether it's getting that extra rep in the gym, just being able to face that wall, that doubt, and push through it. That's what I want them to get out of this. It's not just about the history or writing, you know, it's about learning those life skills and being tough and being smart, but also just overcoming adversity and just being strong, being a strong human being.